In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Big Cartel store. Whether you're sprucing up your shop with some visual flair or sharing essential product videos, this simple process will help bring your store to life. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Big Cartel website. It's a fantastic platform tailored for artists and small businesses seeking a straightforward, creative way to showcase their work online. Once you're there, look for the login option, give it a click. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to provide your shop URL and password. Enter those details carefully to gain access to your store. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your store from orders to designs. Here, you'll want to locate the account section. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This step takes you closer to customizing your shop's design. Under account, you'll see the shop design option. Go ahead and click on Go to Shop Designer. This feature is where the magic happens, allowing you to tweak your store's aesthetics to align with your brand's identity. Within the shop designer, there's a part of the interface labeled Code. Select it to access the more technical side of your shop's design. Within the code section, you'll notice an option labeled CSS. Click on that to open up the styling possibilities for your store. Here you can carefully embed your video code. This is a crucial step, so ensure that you're pasting in the correct embed code from your video hosting platform. It's what makes your video appear seamlessly in your Big Cartel store. Once you've embedded the video code, take a moment to review everything. Ensure your placements are correct and that the video will appear as you intend it to. After double checking, hit Done to save your changes. This action will apply the new design elements, effectively adding your video to your store. Congratulations, you've successfully added a video to your Big Cartel store. This visual element can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience by providing them with more context or simply by making your store more engaging. Remember, integrating videos can help boost your online presence and connect with